In this video, I will show you how to use YouTube new comments threading feature. So make sure that you have YouTube Premium and open the YouTube app. Then open any video, go to its comment section, and below any comment you will see certain replies like 14 replies, 10 replies, etc. Click on the 14 replies button or X amount of replies button. And once you go there, you can see that there is this thread that shows the layers of conversation. It shows different tiers and which reply is done to which one tiers, and you can comment in the tier or you can comment in the main video, and that is how you can use YouTube new comments threading feature on YouTube Premium. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.